This video shows the SPInverseByCogoPoints command found within the SincPac. This allows us to create inverse reports by selecting CogoPoints. We can then save the results and use them later, or modify them if we've made a mistake. To run the command, we can go to the SincPac 1 tab, the Analysis panel, and select InverseByCogoPoints. Here, we'll have a file that'll save the information. In this case, I have it in my documents, and it's called pointinverse.cpx. Here we can have a project, and we can have multiple projects per file. So I could create a new project, and then press OK. And now I can select the project that I'm currently working on. It could be like a phase, or maybe a project that's adjacent to each other. Here I can have sets, and I can have sets of points that I want to run the inverse report on. I can always create a new set, and you can give it a name. So I'm going to call this one parcel 2, and then hit OK. Here it'll ask me to select the first point, and I can go ahead and select the points that make my inverse report. Once I'm done selecting them, I can press Enter. The point numbers that I selected will be in the set. Here I can give the radius point a description, and then I can also include a set description. Once I'm happy with the set, I can then save that data. If I want to edit my point numbers, if I made a mistake, I can hit the Edit Set button, and then I could look at the list of values. If I right-click, there's an option to select in the drawing, to change it, or I can right-click and remove it from the list. Here I'm going to hit OK to save my list. Here I can include the login name in the report, and I can include the date. Here I can print the report, and that'll give me the InverseByCogoPoints report. If I press Ctrl A, I can select everything, and if I press Ctrl C, I can copy all the contents. If needed, I can paste it into your favorite Word doc or Notepad and see the results there and save the values. You can also print it to a PDF or to a printer. Once you're done with the report, you can hit Done, and that will conclude the command. If later on you find corrections need to be made, you can always just run the InverseByCogoPoints, select the project, and then the set number, and then edit that set. So it's very reusable. And this is the SPInverseByCogoPoints command found within the SincPac.